nice and warm today, huh? Alright, let's do this. So today I have a question for you. Please tap on the info icon that you see on the top right corner of your YouTube player. There you will find a poll which lists all the video categories of the episodes that I released so far on this channel. What I'm asking you to do is to please vote for your favorite category. There are 5 categories. Category number 1, live music. These are videos that you can play anytime to enjoy music, whether you're at home, chilling at the park like I'm doing right now, or maybe when you are partying with friends and you want to play something different. Category number 2, music adventures. These videos are all about searching for location and sounds to record special sounds that then I use to make music. It's all about the fun side of making music. Category number 3, stories. These story videos are about the stories behind a specific track, a musician, a live set. It's all about the behind the scenes. Category number 4, how music works. Maybe you're not a musician, but you love music and you're curious about how things work, how sounds are generated. And category number 5, video updates like the one you're watching now, in which we talk. If you're new to this channel and you're not sure what category you should vote for, have a look at the episode playlist. You will find it in the info area of this video and listed in the description below. In this playlist, you will find all the video episodes that I released so far on this channel. Have a look at it and please vote. It will take you 1 second and it will help me a lot to plan all the new episodes that I'm going to release on this channel. Also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe now here on YouTube and follow more content snippets on Facebook and Instagram over at ModeZero Official. Stay tuned!